My name's Craig Duff. I work for a company called EZPC Limited based in Southeast London, and we've been a partner just coming up just over 2 years now. We want to be able to monitor SharePoint and OneDrive storage. So what this does, it runs once a day, goes in, grabs the information and stores it into a SQL database for us. This is the first one for SharePoint storage drive. We first log into Microsoft, grab all of the sites that are available. We then grab all the IDs for each site and put it into a list. We then pass those IDs in the list into a sub workflow. And then we process that in the sub workflow. When the first ID comes into this sub workflow, we then grab the information from the site, getting the storage information. We then add the time. We then set the variables and create a list. So we simply get the organization name, we get the date it's received, the time that the workflow is ran, we then get the name of the site, the URL, how much space is being used in gig by doing the maths, converting it from kilobytes to gigabytes, and how much space is remaining. Once we've got that into a list, we then create a SQL database, and then we put all that information into the database one by one. This is, again, nice and simple. It's very, very similar. This is getting all the OneDrive and getting the storage information for each of our users in the Microsoft tenant. So what we do is get a list of all the users in the tenant. We then put that into a list, a simple list like this. Once we've got that, it then passes that into a sub workflow. We then grab the user's ID, query the storage based on the user's ID. Once we've got that, we then get the time. We grab the data. We then set the variables, and that variables looks like this. This is, again, getting the organization name, getting the display name. So the first name looks like Craig Duff, the principal name, so it could be the email address, the user principal name, date that received, the site name just being the name of the user, how much space they've used, and how much is remaining. And we convert that into gig. We then spit that out in exactly the same way. We then create a database. This is another table within the same SQL called Microsoft _OneDrive. And then we push all that data in, and then we simply end.